Hello everyone, this is a quick review on the movie Governor. Where the movie is power packed with realistic storytelling and the story of difficult time which India has faced.
महंगाई सिर्फ अकेले नहीं आती सर, भूख के साथ आती है और भूख कुछ भी करवा सकती है। क्राइम, दंगे, फसाद, अनार्की और मे बी ये सिविल
So
वॉर।
this has talked about various governments' inability to take action, and then they were being forced by a governor of RBI, where the name, of course, is changed. So it's not. It's proposed to be a fictional movie, but it seems to be on the real life situation where we are talking about the time of Chandrasekhar, PM Chandrasekhar, and then. There has been a lot of context where India is facing crisis moments and then the funding is arranged. And it also depicts a very interesting example where a IS officer's daughter becomes an IS officer, where a office staff's daughter also becomes an IS officer. That shows the aspiration that in India, even a common man can aspire to have their children studying and uh, moving towards becoming a civil servant. This gives a very different hope for every Indian, where a true Indian, a true civil servant can really aspire to change the system, take and push the entire system to in the betterment of the society and in the betterment of the country. I was completely touched by the movie, and it was a great experience. It's a short movie. It's not tried to make it very long, and the storytelling is absolutely amazing. It's a feast to watch Manoj Bajpayee in the role of Governor Raman, and amazing roles, amazing characterization by the entire team. In this, it also depicts that various political parties where the PM Chandrasekhar took Atal Bihari Vajpayee and other political parties in confidence towards making a decision which was very, what do you say, very risky in terms of public opinion. How did they manage public opinion? What are the things goes around running RBI, and how difficult time it would have been is we can only imagine. We are here in a very convenient time and we are in the digital age, but with limited information on those time, it was a very difficult time. This shows that how did some great civil servants and people in RBI really pushed the financial system. It also shows the role of ex-PM and ex-finance minister Manmohan Singh, and it's an amazing feast to watch this movie. So all the best, guys. Do watch this movie. Uh, it's already quite a good time Governor is running in, and I'm sure it will also come very soon in various online streaming platforms. So stay tuned, and I congratulate the entire team of Governor Film that they have done an amazing job. Thank you very much.